Welcome friends. I Dr. NG Tilkapaliyar once again welcome you in my YouTube channel that is BSVS Educational Learning Center. Today in the series of quizzes creation we are going to discuss the platform called as a test modes in which we can generate the various e-quiz on this particular platform called as a test modes. So today we discuss about the creation of the formative assessment e-quiz on test modes. Now, learning outcomes. After watching this video presentation, state the personal motivation and interest for creating e-quiz on test modes. Then create and assess e-quizzes for formative assessment and plan a structured learning experience using test modes quiz generator platform in day-to-day teaching learning process. Test quiz generator is a very quick and simple to generate an e-quiz for the student, and also it can be engaged in the classroom activity or as a home assignment or practice quiz to the student. Testomodes is an e-test and e-quiz generating application platform, and that can be run without logins or accounts, means like in Kahoot and also in various platform like Google Form. The teacher and student both have to be login. Require means there is a data collection is there, and therefore various type of login processes takes place in that particular platform. But in test mode there is no need of the creation of the account. You can directly generate the test. Student and teacher do not need to register. All the tests created by teacher are password protected and published online. So once the teacher create the particular test on test modes, it is password protected and can be published as a in the form of URL and forwarded to the student for the class activity. Then test modes would utilize one of the biggest advantage, that is the instant feedback. So it provide the uh, feedback of the student performance also. The benefits of test modes quiz generator. Test modes assign your test its own unique URL that already I discussed in previous slide. That's why URL you have will give to student to take your test. It's in the setup process that you also assign the passcode for the test taker. So this is the one of the benefit. Then four different types of questions are supported by test modes. One is true false, second is multiple choice, multiple response, and fill in the blanks. Test modes can randomize both question and answer. Test modes automatically grade test and provides teachers with the detailed score report, and that can be downloaded in CSV form to examine the student performance in Excel sheet or in MS Word. And we can also take the printout of that particular data or feedback assessment report for the documentation. So let's we go in the desktop version to see the how the e-quiz or e-test generated on test modes platform. So this is the uh, Google search. Just type the test modes. Now after typing test modes, the first page is link is open, that is testmodes.com. Just click here. Then this is the home page in which home feature pricing. The pricing also shows here. Free. In free version you can build, distribute and collect the results of basic test for free. You are limited to 50 questions, means only 50 questions quiz can be prepared in free version, and 100 result per test, means 100 student can be participate in the test in free version. Some features are not available like image upload and email notification is not available in the free. This is the one of the drawback. Like in hot potatoes quizzes we can upload the images also, but here in free version it is not possible. And there is a premium version is also available which have $50 per year. But today we are going to just develop or create the quiz on the basis of by using the free version. So there is no need of the login here. There is an option build a test and try a demo. To try a demo is for the preview type of question we can solve it. So just after opening this home page, go in the build a test platform. To build a test, use this form to build a free test on test images. So again I am saying there is no need of login because login is only required for the premium persons. Now write down the test. Suppose I am writing here practice general quiz. So this is the name of quiz. The write down here, you can mention the chapter, unit, etc. Choose the password. So any password you can choose here. Suppose I am writing here then retype and just create test. So there are limitations, kindly note down. Only 50 question can be added and 100 student can be participate in the quiz. So just click on the create test. So this is always remember, this is important to remember. Testmos is the your URL and this is the unique URL for the this particular quiz. So bookmark this to your. Suppose this is the quiz I am saving in web page for further. This is the URL. Then there are various bookmark this page and write down your password. It is absolutely critical that you do this because there is no way to recover the URL or password. So once and that's why you can copy and paste in your Word file or in email or MS Word file so that you can easily remember this URL and password. Adjust the setting. So just click on the adjust the setting. So there are four different types of version is available. There are test name. Then this text is displayed at the top of the text. You can use it, write the instruction and it can be blank. So just you can write the test for any class like BA or test for BA, same to etc. So you can give the notification timeline etc. So there are color scheme 1 2 3 4. So just select any type of color font. Suppose I am setting this format for color scheme. Choose the language detect automatically. You can choose English, French, German, Hindi and Spanish. So there is a provision of Hindi language is also choose. I am choosing here English. Then question setting, show all the test question on one page, recommended for new user. Show one question in per page. So there are two different type of option is available here. So all question can be shown in a single page and one question per page. So you can just, I think this is available in different, if after each question is answer indicate if the student response was correct or incorrect. So there are different version. We are just going for the show all the question on one page. Then randomize the order of question during the test. This is the one of the benefits or application of this test. The question is automatically randomized if you click on this randomize button. Then review setting. This setting control what happens after the post is completed and submitted by the test taker. The conclusion test show a custom page if the student passed or failed. So this test display after the test is submitted. So you can just you can write that after submit this message is generated, your test is submitted. So this message is generated after submitting the quiz. Show the custom. Suppose student, you can customize here the message the student who are passed. Suppose I am writing here 40%. The if the student got the 40 or above, then he will be passed and other otherwise he will be failed. So if the student pass, this text is displayed and suppose 41 or 90 or is up 10% of 10, then student can see the message. So suppose right here, congratulations, you are pass. This is the message. And suppose for fail message, uh, repeat repeat the test, best luck, best of luck. In next, so you can write any message in this particular box. Now At the end of the test, display the user score, test online, indicate if their responses was correct or not. Then next is display the explanation, uh, access control. So we are keeping here. You can suppose want to write the explanation, you just give the explanation is also display the correct answer. Student can be find out. Suppose he has wrong selected wrong answer, then display the correct answer option is also available. Access control, anyone who enter, so there are one three four option is available here. Anyone who enter a passcode to generate, this is the good way. Suppose you want to forward this quiz through your Google Classroom or any LMS system through student, then it is always better than just write here any type of questions, passwords, and provide them student. Anyone who enter, I'm writing suppose A B C 1 2 3. This is the pass code. It is not called as a password, it is called as a passcode in test mode platform. Anyone who enter the unique identifier, student ID, employer ID, etc. from a list that specify. Anyone who enter a email address from a list that specify. So this can be another option, but this is available for the free paid version, and therefore just choose the passcode, that is nation, provide to the student. What would test taker enter, identify themselves, enter your name. These are the another function, but these are not available in free version, and therefore no, it is a as it take it as it is from, because this is the only available in the paid version. Again, there are how much time of test taker have to complete the test. The time start the moment they enter the test and continue even if they are close out of the test, that is unlimited, or you can set the time limit. Suppose I am taking here 10 minutes. So this facility is also available in the test mouse platform. How many times can someone take your test? Unlimited, or you can give the 3 or 4 times. Those can be possible. So just I am giving here 1 times. So this is the setting. After setting, just save this option, settings updated. Then next part is come practice general quiz, then dashboard setting. Now the question part is here. Now just insert the question section, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So this type of question pattern is available. Some of these are available in upgraded version, and some is available in the free version. So just go in the multiple choice question. So this is the platform where the question pattern is generated. Question 1, just write, I am writing here again, who is the president of India at present. Suppose give the choice name Narendra Modi, Ramnath Kovind, Nitin Gadkari. So this is the multiple choice type of question. I'm giving the another name, Piyush Goyal. This is the question. Just select the correct answer, that is Ramnath Kovind, and give the points here. So these are the multiple choice. Here you can repeat the this same. Suppose I click here, so the same question is copy and paste here. And suppose I want to minimize it, to just go here to minimize it. So in this way, we can create the this multiple choice of question. This is the correct answer. And suppose we want to shuffle it. So suppose the these options are shuffled with each other when the student solve it. So friends, this is the first question. Now second, here there is another option. Click to add a new answer choice or show explanation. Suppose again this is available in the paid version. Multiple choice. You can select it as a multiple choice. Choose one, choose many, true, false, and fill in the blanks in essay. Now I am going to insert the second question here. Insert multiple choice, choose many type. So this question is generated here. So suppose I am writing here multiple type answers. Which states are in India? Which following states are in India? So suppose just give the choice Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra, California, then Punjab. So in this way, I selected. Now, correct answer is Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab. This is the wrong. So just select multiple choice type of answers 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, if you want to select the points table here, just click 1, 2. Suppose there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So I just managing here. Suppose all are solved, then he got the student got the 4 points, and suppose only one, then partial is also available. Partial marking also available. Now next is give partial credit. So you are click here, give the partial credit. Then next third type of pattern is available, that is true false question. Suppose I'm writing chief minister of Maharashtra Uddhav Thackeray. True or chief minister of Maharashtra is Uddhav Thackeray. This is the true or false. To just give the option true, show explanation. So you can. This is not available here. So this is the another option, true and false. Then another type of question, that is just insert the question, fill in the blanks type of question, or matching type of question is also. So here we can select the answer like cat, whale. So just I am writing here uh, capital name, that is Mumbai. Hyderabad, then Bhubaneswar, Bhopal. Click here at the new matching. You can add the Bhopal, then Chandigarh. So these are the capital, and suppose write in this direction Mumbai, Maharashtra, Hyderabad, Telangana, Bhubaneswar, Orissa, then Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, and you can click add here Punjab. Add to confuse the student, you can also add another type of question. Click add to question Delhi. Suppose Uttar Pradesh. This type of matching is available here. Show explanation. Give the, suppose there are one for Mumbai, here Maharashtra. Then this is second question for Telangana. Third for Bhubaneswar, Bhopal. Four and Punjab. This is 5. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and suppose there are 5, so you can just give the marking here, that is 2 points. So this is the match style, which is a numeric or text. So just give the number, or here show explanation, give partial credit also, and matching. The next type of question is available, fill in the blanks. So write down again, who is the president of USA. I'm just taking the sample questions. Correct answer is suppose Donald Trump. Alternative, show explanation, case sensitive. So don't give the right here case sensitive. Fill in the blanks type. So if you want to use the case sensitive word, click here. Otherwise, as it is. The next type, essay writing, but you can also give the essay writing, but in quiz it is not possible because you have to assess it in the form of quiz. So these are the 5 different types of patterns we are prepared here. Now after creating these questions, just go in the publics option now. Now let's see, publish practice general quiz. You need to publish your test to make it available for your student to take. You can preview your test to make sure it looks good, it's okay, or credit your test. And after you publish, but after ready to publish option is your paper copy. Most tests are meant to be taken online, but if you want to paper copy, just go view, print, or upload, download your download as a Word documents. Just click here. So these are the option is your show answer, show explanations. Suppose I don't want to show answer and download as a PDF file, so easily can be available. View and print. So this type of print option is available. 4.1 point. This is the pattern. Now suppose I want to preview test. So this is the option, student login and administration, practice general quiz, attention. Click the admin tab to edit this test and preview. So this is the preview pattern. The chief minister, this type of is obtained. Time remaining 9. It is a chief minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray. Suppose this is the one for Mumbai, it is 7 number. For Bhopal, it is Madhya Pradesh, means 5. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Orissa, and therefore this is 3. Then Chandigarh is capital of Punjab, means 4. Hyderabad, it is 6. In this way, you can solve which of the state are in India: Telangana, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, and Punjab. Who is the president of India? Ramnath Kovind. Who is the president of USA? Just give the short answer, Donald Trump, and submit. So it shows the immediate answer also here. You practice general quiz, means this is the name of test. Your test is submitted. Your score is 100%. Duration, congratulations, you are correct. Any 100% is 9 of 100%. This is the score. This is the logout option. So in this way, you can also practice the quiz or preview the quiz. Now after preparing the test, you can add about the 50 question in this test. So I just for practice purpose, I generated the 5 question and now publish this test. After publication, so this is the URL I generate and this is the passcode. Suppose I copy and paste here for just for information. This is the first is the admin login, and this is second. So this is the test, same number. Just copy and paste, and this is the your published URL, and this is the passcode you have to provide to the student. Now suppose take the this is the publication and then how to find out the result section. So this, after publication, this is the paper copy, you can print and download. Now suppose I take this test as a student. Suppose just you copy paste URL, the student can copy and paste URL in the browser. This is the, oh, sorry, enter your name. Just I enter my name, suppose Dr. NG Liver, and passcode is, that is we are provided, that is what is that, A B C 1 2 3 suppose, and start the quiz. So in this way student can start directly. So this type of platform is available for the student. Here the time remaining is also showing here, true, then Gopal. I'm just making some correction or wrong. So in this way you can solve which of the state in India. Suppose I am writing only 2 here. Is the president, just write the Donald Trump. In this way student solve the question, then just submit it. In this way the quiz is submitted. This type of option, practice general quiz, your test is submitted, your score is 60%, 5.4 out of 9 marks, duration 0. Congratulations, you are passed. So this type of name of student is up there and you are passed. This type of message is available. Now suppose again I am solving in another name. Suppose ABC is the name of student, and use that same password, that is ABC12 is the passcode. So this is the another platform. Suppose it is false. Is shuffling. The question is shuffling. Suppose California, Punjab, and Maharashtra, Mumbai. Then just submit it. Now here 80%. Repeat the test. Best luck in next quiz. So student fail, this type of message is generated, and here student name ABC is generated. So this, in this way the student can solve the quiz. Now next part is after dashboard setting, question published. This is the result section. So ABC NG Telkapalli 60-80% score, date of the score finished on time, and there is a individual question 1 2 3 4 5 to question how many percentage obtained. This is the responses is obtained here, 39%, 80 to 60%. So all data feedback is generated here. Export to PDF Power Grid response grid. So just click here. So a report is generated and it is downloaded in the form of Excel sheet. So in this way we can generate the feedback and result analysis. This is copy to clipboard, Power Grid also option. So in this way we generate the feedback data also here. So this is the very important for the classroom activity and to generate the feedback of the student. So kindly note that only 50 questions, 50 questions are added in this test modes, and 100 student, here only 2, but 100 student can participate. You have to just provide the this link to the student and passcode through a WhatsApp or Google Classroom. Thank you very much.